birds catch the worms, and now we are in the front of the blockers. Now we are in the area of the tableware. So what you can see here actually is not so big differences compared to last year we come here, and it still feels some very simple glazed designs, and also have some reactive lines. Also, if you pay attention to the marks here, you will see for this kind of the reactive glazed item, there will be some remarks here. Every piece is unique. We are in the EMK. Surprised to find that they have lots of unique designs, like this kind of the plants, and they put it on the basis of the plate, but it's almost like the imposed style. And we also placed to offer this kind of the designs for all of you guys. You can change different patterns. So now we will take you to this kind of like a home furnishing store, and we will check what's the news inside. So what's the news we found here? There are lots of the beautiful designs and very cute for the young generation. We're very happy to share one fantastic place, which is called the Hotel Amir. You will see lots of fancy designs here. It's very surprising to see lots of the beautiful things, and we would like to share this with you. You can see lots of beautiful bees and flower pot. And even my backside, you will find lots of the reactive glaze. Everyone is unique. It's really very exciting to see lots of the beautiful things. Actually, that's what you can see here. There are lots of the different designs, and everyone can present your own characteristics. As we know from the shop owner, they told us that actually every pieces they are produced in Portugal, and they have two shops here, and also they want to make this kind of the shop to be like a motel atmosphere. But anyway, this is not the real motel for accommodation, just for the beautiful things to share with everybody.